And welcome back. Cricket first up, the West Indies women will return to the Caribbean without a victory in the United Kingdom. They were swept 5-0 by England in their T20 series after losing the fifth and final match by 3 wickets in Derby on Wednesday.
The match was revised to 5 overs aside due to persistent rain in the north of England. The Caribbean ladies finally got a chance to bat first, and the hard-hitting Deandra Dottin gave them back-to-back boundaries in the first over. But her Bajan teammate departed for a duck-first ball to have the Windies on 11 for 1 after 1 over. Catherine Burnt bowled with pace and it was too hot to handle for Dottin, and she had to depart for 11, with the score at 13 for 2 after 2 overs. Jamaican Shadeen Nation came to the crease, but she also went without scoring off the bowling of Sophie Ecclestone. This brought Jamaican Natasha McLean to the crease, who shared in a 24-run third-wicket partnership with the skipper Stephanie Taylor as the Windies ended on 41 for 3 after 5 overs. England were in trouble in the first over as Shamelia Connell removed Heather Knight and Amy Jones for 4 and 0 respectively, as England were at 5 for 2 in the first over. Tammy Beaumont started the recovery for England as she hit back-to-back fours to narrow the required run rate. But she too had to return to the pavilion as she departed for 9 off the bowling of Shakira Selman, with England 17 for 3. Wickets continued to tumble as Nat Siva was run out for 7, while Burnt was brilliantly caught by Taylor for 2, with England at 25 for 5. The home side needed 7 runs to win from the last over, but there was drama with 2 run-outs. But Selman bowled back-to-back no balls to hand the English victory and a 5-0 series win. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.